Alright guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to show you guys something. I got the red romaine lettuce in. I got parsley. And I also have my red basil in. I bought this basil last week and I put it in. And the weather's been kind of iffy. So, we'll see. All this right here is from potato skin that I peeled. All of them. Over here you got your pumpkin. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate these. Let it grow a little bit more, take out what I need, and the rest of it, anybody wants pumpkin seeds suckers, let me know. Alright, so I also went and I bought some milk crates. What I do with the milk crates is this. Since I have rabbit problems, okay, cover them off. There's plenty of holes, plenty of sun could get to them. I'm gonna test this and see how it works. So, catch you guys on another video.